If you want to create a wallpaper with AI on the Motorola Edge 70, then in this case we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna proceed to Personalize, and then in here we can go to our current wallpaper. Well, you will see the lock screen wallpaper, but once you select it, you should proceed to this menu. And in here we can choose the Image Studio, which is a section settings, however you can call it, that is used in order to generate AI images. Now, in order to actually use this feature, you need to have Moto account, so we can tap over here and choose to sign in. And of course, the easiest way to do so is by using your Google account. So if you use Google account, and most likely you do, then of course you can just choose it in order to quickly proceed. And then we can of course create an image over here, so let's tap on this button. We have the introduction of course, but we can just proceed. We have a prompt, so we can write whatever we want to generate. We also have the aspect ratio, styles, and that should be it. So let's say I'm gonna write a simple prompt of what I want to see on the wallpaper. So let's say we're gonna write something like a white cat walking through a magical forest with pink flowers. We can also of course adjust the aspect ratio, which in my case I'm gonna actually choose the portrait, since I believe it fits more into the wallpaper category. And we have some styles, and of course we can choose, they are optional, but I'm gonna choose the fantasy in this case. And let's choose generate image. Of course we need to grant permission, and let's tap the button. Let's also grant the permission for notifications, and there we go. Now we need to wait for the results, of course. And there we go, we have our result. And we can also redo the prompt if you want to. If we want to see some other results, we can of course copy the image, or we can save it. In my case, we can also tap on these three dots in order to immediately set as a wallpaper, and I'm gonna do that. As you can see, we have our image. We can of course still adjust the image if you want to. Let's go back, and we're gonna set as wallpaper, and I'm gonna choose it for both lock screen and home screen. And there we go, we have a wallpaper that was generated with AI. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.